Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos and I'm really pleased to have another brand new Ford Ranger Wildtrak in stock today. So this is, as you can see, in carbonized grey metallic. It's had the added Raptor kit as well. This one's got the factory fit options of the power roller shutter and the full tow bar as well. So straight away we can see this one really stands out from your standard Wildtrak vehicle because it's had the Raptor kit added. It's got nice 20-inch alloys on it as well. So let's go around in a bit more detail. It's a 2023 plate. It's got delivery mileage on it only. As you can see there, it's got the Ford Raptor style front grille with the full lettering. It's got the lower bumper bar down below. It's also had the full blackout on the front bumper, so normally you get a little bit of silver down the bottom. This one's been painted black again just to blend in better with that front end. You've got the front light covers. It's got 20-inch alloys, brand new all-terrain tyres. It's got the wide wheel arch kit on it as well. Wind deflects on top of the window, just give the vehicle a nice sleek look. The 2-litre twin turbo model. You've got the full leather interior with the Wildtrak embossing on the seats. Big upgrade over and above the older vehicles. You've got the large screen, you get extra stowage on this model. You get a cup holder down here as well. Round to the rear, you can see there it's got the roller cover on the back. So that's the power roller cover. You can operate it in 3 ways, pushing a button inside, and I'll show you that now actually. You've got a button on the key fob and also a button next to the steering wheel. So that one button there operates it like that, so you can power open it. We can stop it at any position again, and then we can push it again to power close. This one's got the tow bar as well, so the tow bar is detachable. It's with this vehicle, and you get the rear camera as well on the Wildtrak model. You get front and rear parking sensors. A nice extra feature on the 2023 model vehicle is you have a step up now. So in the past, sometimes you'd have to step on the wheel to get into to look into the rear. Now you've got a dedicated step. Obviously, this is being a 2023 plate, delivery mileage vehicle, so the vehicle is absolutely immaculate. Interior and outside, it's brand new basically. You might see a couple of dots on the paintwork now because it's raining a little bit at the moment. So that's the outside. Inside, let's go and have a look inside. You've got electric adjustment on the driver's seat, power folding wing mirrors. That's the button to operate that rear roller shutter. So if I push that now, we can see it's operating. Push it again, it stops, and push it a third time, it will power close. As I said, interior is immaculate. Let's have a look in a bit more detail. So on this main screen, let's turn the radio down. On the main screen, we can see it's got in total 136 miles. You can have your navigation there when you've got your nav on. You can also customize that view, so we can have different settings on the right hand side. So you can change the view from the My View. Across here, you've got that large screen, so big change over and above the older vehicle. I'm just going to close the window if it starts to rain again. All right, so you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, obviously your media you can play from your phone. If you go back to the main menu, you've got the additional driver assist settings. So you've got adaptive cruise control, which you didn't get in the old model, so it will follow the vehicle in front. It will accelerate and decelerate. You've got a lane keeper system, wrong way alert, park pilot sensors, and reverse brake assist. Reverse brake assist stops the vehicle when you're about to hit something. If you're reversing, that is. And then you've got obviously other vehicle customizable options you can change as well. You can change the wipers, the lighting, the locks, the mirrors, display, connectivity. You've also got Amazon Alexa. You've got the Ford Pass as well. So with the Ford Pass, you can connect the app to your phone, and then you can see the state of the vehicle. You can unlock it in the winter. You can warm things up like the seats and the steering wheel and the windscreen. So obviously all touch screen. Also something you didn't have on the older model was the heated steering wheel. You've got heated seats, but you've also got heated steering wheel, which is nice in the winter. We don't need it today, obviously. And then if I put it in reverse, you've got that rear camera, front and rear sensors. So in terms of the menu functionality, there's loads and loads of features for you as well. But you've also got the owner's manual on the vehicle as well. So if you need anything, the owner's manual is there. And let's just turn that off. And then that's the sat nav screen. Obviously, the screen becomes larger if we're just using the sat nav. Where is it? Oh, an Apple CarPlay. Obviously, I've got my phone connected so we can see the Apple CarPlay. You've got the 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, high, low, and also you've got an extra feature you didn't have on the old model was the 4A, so the auto. So this treats it more like it will balance the 4-wheel drive between the front and rear wheels, more like your traditional sort of I don't know, off-road vehicle, your sort of Land Rover, etc. So that's something you didn't have on the older model. As I said, if you see a couple of little dots on the bodywork, it's just because it's rained a little bit where we are now. Rear armrest, Isofix points. That's that tow bar as told you. It's still wrapped in its packaging, so that can go on the rear if you want it. You've got a little power source down the bottom there as well. So that's the Carbonized grey Ford Ranger Wildtrak in stock. At the moment I've got a black Ranger 2023 plate and also white. We'll be getting other colours in as well. Thank you for watching the video.